How y'all doing? This looks like a pretty good place to start, and I need to get Mint Magic off the desk here, the table, and rearrange, reposition the 500J and the 411G, and then I want to get back into doing the top side stuff, the camshaft, lever, camshaft, stitch regulator, and all that stuff, followers and indicator pins. I've been working towards making this video for about, well, a couple of weeks at least. However, I am going to get Mint Magic out of the way here and get these two other stars of the video, the 500J and the 411G, get them in position, and we'll get the parts. I have the parts, you can see some of them right down there actually. Let me get that focused up for you. There's some of the parts there. But I got to tidy up, move the trays. Oh, there we go. Some more stuff. Lots of stuff. There's a bunch of feet in there. Yeah, there's the cops. Montreal cops on the job. It's just after 4 a.m. in the morning, Sunday morning. August 3rd or 4th or something. There we are. Anyway, I'm going to get to work and get everything tidied up and get started with getting the parts put in their appropriate places on the machine. And hope this is useful to you and me. Cheers. We'll talk.